Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you the off-road recovery kit which we got with compliments from Al Hashar Automotive Group Oman. So recently we bought a car from them and they gave us this recovery kit complimentary. Okay, so guys, in the next part of this video I'm going to show you the contents of this kit. So all of you stay tuned.
Karanjetlilive.
So guys, before we open it, I would like to tell you this recovery kit, it came in this bag. Okay, it is a very high quality bag which you can use as a duffel bag and you can also use it as a backpack. Okay, so now guys, let us open it and let us see what's in it. Okay guys, here it is. So this is the first thing which comes. So let us see what it is. Okay, so guys, you can see it is a torch. Okay, and it also have this emergency strobe function, and it also has this magnets, so you can stick it, so in case you want to work it. So this is the first thing. Okay, so it is not chargeable, so it comes with battery. So you get a flashlight, come glass belt, seat belt cutter, come glass breaker. So this is the one thing, first thing. Then after this, the next thing. Okay, so here we have some recovery boards. Some people also call them traction boards. Okay, very high quality, very nicely built. Okay, so two pieces of these, so we'll keep them on side. So then the next item in this kit are some working gloves. So definitely they are much bigger for my hands, but still they are there. Okay, so then the next thing which comes is a camping shovel. So it is a folding shovel which you can use it to dig some sand or anything. Okay, then comes the next item, that is the jump starter cables. Okay, so 2000 amperes. Then guys, here we have some soft rope shackles. Okay, so let us open it and let me show you. Okay, rope shackles. Then what else we have? Towing rope, very heavy, very high quality. Here it is. So this is the towing rope. Then what else we have is this, and what is in this? Okay, so guys, in this you have this camping stool. I hope you can see it. So I cannot fully unfold it on this camera because of the space. So it is a folding camping stool. So after you fold it, this is how it looks like, and it comes in this pouch. Then the last thing which comes here is this camping light. Okay, so you can power this light using your car battery or that, and it has a remote. Okay, here is the light, and it has a tiny stand also, and you can power it using your car battery, or you can power it your car lighter socket. Okay, so guys, apart from this, there are some additional things which you can keep in it. Okay, so these things, they did not come with the recovery kit, but I have them, so I'm going to keep them here also. So one is the tire inflator, and another one is the jump starter. So guys, I think if you have all these things with you, so I'm pretty sure you won't be making your life very inconvenient in case you are stuck somewhere while you are doing off-roading. So guys, that's all in this video. So if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.